Hi friends, this is a very important communication. So recently, I have found key lot of my students, lot of my business associates, they have got defrauded because of fraudulent emails. Okay, so this is increasing by the day, and what is happening is that hackers will register an email ID very similar to yours and send emails from that to your customer, and it will be asking the customer to make changes to your bank account for sending payments. So what the hackers do is that they will gain access to your email account and they will watch it very carefully. And when the right time comes, they will, what is the right time, that when you are going to be receiving payments or some payment is being has to be remitted by the customer. So they will come to know because they are watching your emails that you have sent an invoice, what is the due date, and they will send an email to the customer from a misleading domain. So for example, if your domain is www.ceoitbox.com, so they may replace the O's with zeros. To the customer it will appear to be very similar. Okay, and the customer will then make the payment to the new bank account given by the hacker, and by the time you come to know of this, that money would have already been transferred to other accounts and it is impossible to get it back. Okay, and the customer will also be unwilling to help you. So customer may not want to return the money because it's already paid, and the email appeared to come from you. So this may lead to losses. People have actually faced losses worth crores of rupees. To avoid this situation, I've got this amazing thing for you, very simple thing that you need to do. So, so there's a letter that we created. So this is a sample letter. This is an important notice regarding spoof emails. Okay. So you can send this letter to your customer saying that, dear valued partner, we thank you for favoring us with your business. You're aware of the challenges caused by cybercrime, which have caused damages worth billions of dollars to many organizations. And incident of spoof emails are on the rise. So hackers may create email IDs similar to our domain. For example, you've seen here CEOITBOX.com. So I've given some examples here. And should you receive any email from CEOITBOX, please check the to change the bank account details or to change the remittance instructions. Then kindly take these steps. So check the properties of the email to ensure that the mail is received from CEOITBOX domain. Also check that the mail request includes an attachment with a soft copy of full instruction on CEOITBOX letterhead signed by two of our signatories and countersigned by bank. A sample letter is attached, so you can actually attach your current bank details, which is duly authenticated. Please forward the email received to a re-verification email ID at CEOITBOX. That is, you can give the ID of your accountant requesting a reconfirmation of changes in CEOITBOX bank account. And at CEOITBOX, we give utmost priority to IT security. So I've written a few important things that they can take care of at their end. And so this request, once you send to all your customers, it will protect you against this kind of incident happening for you. So guys, to get a copy of this email, please click on the link given here in the description of this video. Okay, or included along with the email or communication of this video. So please click on that and immediately download this letter. This can save you crores or lakhs of rupees. So I hope you found this useful, and do follow us on www.coitbox.com and our YouTube channel, that is itbx.in/YT, for more such important technology and tools and tips that can actually help you grow your business. So this is Sanjeev Jain once again from CEOITBOX.